Most people get this wrong when trying to withdraw rewards from the Long Game app. They assume that once they earn rewards, the money automatically appears in their account. Then they get confused when they can't find the withdrawal option, or when the process takes longer than expected. Here's the truth no one tells you. Most withdrawal issues happen because users skip important verification steps or misunderstand how the reward redemption process works. In this video, I'll walk you through the Long Game withdrawal process step by step in 2026, explain what to expect, and show you how to avoid the most common mistakes. Let's get started. The first step is to log into your Long Game account and navigate to the Rewards, Wallet, Redemption, or Withdrawal section. The exact menu may vary depending on app updates, but this is where you'll typically find available reward options and account balances. Next, review your available balance carefully. This is where most people fail. They try to withdraw before meeting the minimum requirements. Some reward platforms require users to accumulate a certain amount or complete eligibility checks before withdrawals or redemptions become available. If you don't see a withdrawal option, check whether there are any pending requirements listed inside your account. Now here's where it gets interesting. Before requesting a withdrawal, make sure your account information is accurate and fully verified. This may include confirming your email address, identity details, or payment information if required by the platform. For example, Jake earns rewards and immediately requests a payout. But his account verification isn't complete, causing delays. Alex completes verification first and experiences a much smoother process. That small step can save a lot of frustration. But here's the problem. Many users expect instant withdrawals. Depending on the platform's policies, processing times can vary. Some requests may be completed quickly, while others may require additional review before rewards are delivered. In a minute, I'll show you the easiest way to avoid withdrawal delays. Before that, always double-check the payment method you've selected. Entering incorrect account information can cause processing issues or failed payouts. The easiest way to avoid delays is simple. Read the withdrawal instructions displayed inside the app before submitting your request. Most users skip this step, but it often contains important information about limits, processing times, and eligibility requirements. Let's quickly recap. Open the Long Game app and access the Withdrawal or Rewards section. Check your available balance. Verify that you've met all requirements. Complete any account verification steps. Select your preferred withdrawal method. Review your information carefully. Then submit your request and allow time for processing. Following these steps gives you the best chance of a smooth withdrawal experience in 2026. If this guide helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more app tutorials and reward platform guides, and let us know in the comments if your withdrawal was processed successfully. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.